Hi, this is the 6th video in a short series talking about new C64 OS networking technologies. So in previous videos we used this utility to set up our network parameters and to get us on the CNP proxy server. Next we're going to launch into the Wikipedia app. So we are in fact online because all of the required parameters have been set up, and we can see down here that we're online, and so we can perhaps search for something like test, and we get our result here, table of contents, and so on. But now I'm going to go home and I'm going to say stop. Now I'm no longer connected to the CNP proxy server. I'm going to go back into the Wikipedia app. This flips to offline because we are offline. And if I search for something like dog, we get this border flashing because we're offline. And in fact, even trying to click on other items in the table of contents gives us a flash because we're offline. However, I can open the network utility from within Wikipedia. It's the same utility. I can come over here and hit start. Now this says I'm online. Now I can search for dog, and we can see that it's downloading. And while it's downloading back there, look at this, we can even move this utility around. And we can open these menus. Now it is a bit sluggish because the driver is quite, this driver is a bit banging driver. So we've loaded in our content, which we can scroll through. And now we're going to flip back home and watch that the version of the utility running in the other app bank is going to notice that we're online, and it's going to change state. So boom. So for a moment you saw that this was the way it was left before, but it automatically switched back to showing that we're online. So that's all I'm going to show for this video, and I'll talk a little bit more about the CNP library in the next video. Thanks for watching.